Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be discussing the best tips and tricks for building muscle most efficiently. Building muscle is a common goal for many people. Whether you're an athlete, bodybuilder or just looking to get in better shape. But the process can be challenging, and it's easy to get stuck in a rut. Fortunately, there are several strategies you can use to maximize your muscle gains and get the results you want. So let's get started. Tip number 1: lift heavy weights. The first and most obvious tip for building muscle is to lift heavy weights. Resistance training is the most effective way to stimulate muscle growth. And the heavier the weight, the greater the stimulus. Focus on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, which work multiple muscle groups at once. Tip number 2: focus on progressive overload. Progressive overload means gradually increasing the weight, reps, or sets over time. To challenge your muscles and encourage growth. Keep track of your workouts and aim to improve on your previous performance every time you hit the gym. Tip number 3: get enough protein. Protein is essential for muscle growth, and you need to eat enough to support your training. Aim for at least 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight per day. And consider supplementing with a high-quality protein powder if you struggle to meet your needs through food alone. Tip number 4: don't neglect carbohydrates and fats. While protein is important, you also need to eat enough carbohydrates and fats to fuel your workouts and provide your body with the energy it needs to build muscle. Don't fall into the trap of thinking that a low-carb or low-fat diet is necessary for muscle gain. Tip number 5: rest and recover. Building muscle is a process that requires time and patience, and recovery is an essential part of that process. Make sure to get enough sleep. Take rest days when needed, and prioritize recovery strategies like foam rolling and stretching. Tip number 6: try different training methods. Your body adapts to the same workouts over time, so it's important to mix things up to keep your muscles challenged. Try different training methods like supersets, drop sets, and pyramids to keep your workouts fresh and exciting. Tip number 7: consistency is key. Building muscle is a long-term process, and it requires consistency and dedication. Make sure to stick to your training and nutrition plan, even when progress seems slow. Small improvements over time will add up to significant results. Tip number 8: be patient. Building muscle takes time, and it's important to be patient and trust the process. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results, and don't compare yourself to others. Focus on your own progress and celebrate your victories, no matter how small. Tip number 9: get professional help. If you're struggling to make progress or have hit a plateau, consider getting help from a professional like a personal trainer or nutritionist. They can help you to identify any weaknesses or areas for improvement and provide tailored advice to help you reach your goals. Tip number 10: stay motivated and have fun. Finally, building muscle should be fun and rewarding. Find activities and exercises you enjoy, and stay motivated by setting realistic goals and tracking your progress. Remember, the most important thing is to enjoy the journey and celebrate your successes along the way.